folks, Alex here, Liberty Rogue Outdoors. Gonna go over fire kits today. Just a quick thing. This is a Raging River haversack, compliments of Dan Edwards. It's my new sponsor, one of them. Really nice kit here, nice bag. I'll go over this in another video. Just wanted to do a real short fire kit. Most people have either flint and steel, like a tinder kit with flint and steel in it, ferrocum rod, that's great. You know, the aura of bushcraft tends to be set back in the day type of thing, and really it's, you know, the ferrocum rod came along later. Char cloth, flint and steel, 1800s, that was the norm. But with that, most people don't know, there's a thing called rub cloth. Mountain men used to take their black powder, take a piece of cotton, they'd wet the cotton and rub the black powder into it, leave it out and let it dry. And that's what I'm going to go over right now. So this is down and dirty real quick, so give me a second. Glad to see you. This is one of the Roguesters Deluxe Fire Kit, Tinder Kit. Nice burlap sack. Brandon, you did a great job on these. Thank you, sir. Alright, what do we got in here? What do we got here? We got some fat wood. We got a char cloth tin. We got a striker flint tin. And a neck knife. Alright. So folks, check this out. First you got a nice piece of flint, and you got a nice striker. You got some shavings in there too if you need them. But this kit here, when you open up your char cloth tin, you know, most people have char cloth, okay, and that's all good and fine. Forgotten thing, here's some char cloth right here, plenty of that, but this here, whoop, there it goes, this here is rub cloth. It's an O'l Mountainman Trick. They used to, it's an O'l Mountainman Trick. Take a piece of cotton, piece of shirt, something like that, put it in water, then you take black powder. You can't use smokeless powder, that wouldn't be good. Take traditional black powder, just like they did back in the day, and they would wet the cloth, rub the black powder into a paste onto the cloth, set it aside, let it dry, throw it in their tinder kit. Now this works really well when you're down and out, it's terrible weather, and you know, you really need to get a fire going and not mess around. Of course, powder was very valuable back then, so it's not like they did it all the time, but I guarantee you they kept a piece of this in their kit for real inclement weather conditions. They would take it, they'd make a bird's nest, they'd set it in that bird's nest, and they wouldn't, you've got to set the bird's nest down. If you don't, it's going to burn you. So they would set the bird's nest down, hit it with flint and steel. It works great, very good with a ferrocum rod, which bushcraft's come a long ways. It's not totally old school. It's kind of reminiscent of a little mixture of new and old, and that's cool. There's nothing wrong with that. I like it. So give me a second and I'll show you how this works. Okay, really don't, I mean, I've got fat wood here and that's what I'm using. All of my tinder kits, which I will be selling probably on eBay here, getting ready to go down to the Bushcraft Expo next week, coming right up, so I apologize for not being on as much as I usually am. Been quite busy, so I'm going to make this quick. Nice little neck knife. And they would have this all set up. This is going to be rude and crude. But yeah, you could try it with a flint and steel, but you want to hit down with the flint to get your sparks to go down. And there you go. And that would start your fire. So you get the idea. There it is. Yep. And they would, yeah, it's pretty awesome. Take a piece of, you know, they pre-make it. Here it is. Give you another kit. Here it is. Give you another. And there you go. That's pretty cool. And yo. So, well, folks, there you go, folks. Pretty awesome, cool little trick. You know, you don't see it a lot, which, you know, you need to incorporate the bushcraft thing. Everybody's like, oh, old school. Well, you know what? Nothing beats a Bic lighter. And you'd be foolish to go out in the wilderness without it. So technology can be your friend, but I'm reminiscent of the old days. That's what I like, and I appreciate you tuning in. Yeah, make a little bit of rub cloth, black powder, traditional black powder. You can't use Pyrodex, you can't use smokeless. Good piece to have in your kit for emergency times. And be careful. Hey, get outside, enjoy yourself. It's all about attitude. What one man can do, another can do sometimes. And booyaka. Pow, baby.